A ton of time and money was spent making this bright 1970 Barracuda one of the best HEMI tributes on the planet. Decked in correct lemon twist paint and restored with an era-correct HEMI 4-speed drivetrain, the car is an easy way for any hardcore Chrysler fan to enjoy collector car hierarchy. As one of the most appealing hues to come out of Chrysler's hip 1970s brighter is better mindset, Code FY1 Yellow is probably the most dynamic paint to ever adorn classic Mopar metal. When it's expertly applied under traditional HEMI side stripes, it's an absolutely glowing reminder as to just how crazy the muscle car era really was. Naturally, that fluorescent pigment looks right at home, highlighting this rotisserie restored Cuda's straight profile. A fully restored black vinyl interior is simple, functional, and looks as good as new. The seats are restoration fresh and show barely any signs of wear. An optional console anchors a Hurst pistol grip shifter in vivid wood trim. The clean dash hangs familiar rally gauges above a Chrysler 8-track player and a small Sun Pro accessory gauge. And a wood rim steering wheel perfectly complements the sculpted console and instrument panel. Pull the pins and you'll find a legendary 426 cubic inch era-correct HEMI that's been professionally restored to first-class condition. That healthy big block turns power through a professionally rebuilt 4-speed back to a Dana 60 with 355 gears. Lovingly restored and highly accurate in every way, this brilliant Cuda is guaranteed to please even the most discerning Mopar enthusiast. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.